Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. No, Maxine is saying that people should leave LaDonna because she's saying that, LaDonna came out because Miss D spoke of all the things that were happening, and LaDonna took the subjects that Miss D spoke about and spoke about it. So there, she's saying that it's not LaDonna's fault why she came out and spoke about things that Miss D already mentioned. She's saying that Miss D is taking her business to social media and people are using it as content. So she's saying that Miss D shouldn't, be upset at LaDonna for taking the things that she already spoke about on social media. And that's the reason why LaDonna should not be bashed, because LaDonna heard this information from, Miss D allegedly. And so basically that's the reason why LaDonna came out. She's saying that LaDonna shouldn't have came out to apologize. It's because she's scared. But watch the video and remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, you know what to do. Comment away and let me know what you feel about what Maxine has to say about LaDonna and Miss D, and anything else that you thought or you think about. Just leave it in the comment section, no? And let's hear what you have to say. Have a wonderful, wonderful day today. Lovelies.
Go and wash your big done sour pussy, and when you're done, go over Donna and help Donna wash fair too. Because at Donna, they come out and open her big old mouth and chat to her, and people they chat after her. Donna no have no problem with what they go on, because as she come out, they give people content. As she come out, they give people content. And since she come out, they give people content, everybody they go run with it. So if your big old done pussy no wash yet, it or she, he or she or whatever you is, I don't know what you is, go and go wash your big done front. That's what you need to do. But you run come over here, nobody will ask you nothing. Nobody will ask you nothing. Me tell you, say don't come over here, come open your big old don't dirty mouth. Don't come over here, come open your mouth. Cause Maxine is just a minute away. Yeah, Maxine is just a minute away. You're not getting Maxine right this minute, but she's just a minute away. Just a minute. You take your big old done Ross. They come over here. Nobody will ask you nothing. But you not go along over Donna, go tell Donna if you keep her big old mouth shut. And Donna, you go tell if you leave her mouth, shut her mouth, Thank you very much, Rebecca. Yeah, go along over there, go tell Donna if you keep her mouth shut. Why when Donna come out here and speak her truth and people run with it, the whole of them, they go on like I say, they like she not supposed to talk her truth. Left the woman making talking truth. Left the woman making talking truth. If you have the people them in a Western Union like a merry-go-round, left her make she stay there with the people them in a merry-go-round. And she they come out here and chat to her. LaDonna ungo afraid, that's why LaDonna run gone. Then she ain't take one piece of thick and lick LaDonna over her head. And that then she ain't do. But she run come out and they apologize. But yeah, they apologize for. I know for you for apologize. And she ain't apologize. But people stagnant. You laugh at me? Look how Donna they call people stagnant. Donna no fi call nobody stagnant. Because especially like somebody like me I feel stagnant after when Donna done with me. Cause Donna is one of them who coming like a siren truck. Wah. She always want. She always want, she always a beg, and she always get. So why nobody not come out and contact them truth? Every time Donna come out and Donna open her mouth and say something and people answer her, no go after who? Me say laugh at me if you see them under me page or under me something, them every day delete them, no laugh at me. Because me glad for the views. Me say me not even, me no know what the views good for, but it might good for something someday. Me no know what it good for. But me they sit down and go on with the same way. Me glad for the views when they come over here. You think me not glad? Oh yes. Some of them will delete and some of them will run. But me not give a rat's ass neither one way nor the other. Why Donna come out here and say she take everybody and carry them up a Western Union, and everybody they get the money them and carry them come here, and because people come out can talk about it now, everybody they have a headache. It the fuck of the matter, nobody cares whether LaDonna right, wrong or whatever. She talk off of what Donna say. Good night, Blake. How are you, sweetheart? She's talking after what Donna said. Donna come out and said, first up, Lord Jesus, so my time I not even know if it's a tune because the whole I want to not have no sense, you know. I want to make it look like I said these subject are subject that what happened, Lorraine top play members and something over our page. Oh no, bury Lorraine. Oh, me forgot to me burn Lorraine and it look like I may have to go dig her up back. Me cremate Lorraine. So because me cremate Lorraine now, there's nobody. You are amazing. Oh my god. One of my boyfriend just texted me and said you are amazing. God of mercy, what is that going on in my life? What is this going in my life? Wow, you are amazing. You too, honey. Me say me this find me mojo. Me just find me little mojo. One of me nice little honey just text me and say you are amazing. I knew I was amazing. But it had left for the right person to know that I'm amazing. Laugh at me know I'm amazing. Rebecca know that I'm amazing. My cousin know that I'm amazing. Quite a few people here know that I'm amazing. Yes, quite a few people. There's a lot of people here. My silent watchers are here too. And they know that I'm amazing. Of course they know. When they ask another question. Why? It's like they give this woman more credit than she even deserves to get. Make she feel like I say she important, like she a god. Now she come out and talk who can call her name from who can call her. After she and Donald Trump. Kim Kardashian glad say her sex tape when come out. Glad. Cause if never feel bad publicity and everybody they run with it, she wouldn't be that famous. Remember say a little sex tape. I wonder if somebody want me and name the one sex tape. Maybe want me name out a big, you know. You know, me should not really open the OnlyFans page. Me should not really open it and get like a co-producer or something like that. Or a co-worker or some, no co-worker. Some something another. Hmm? You know, I should really go on the OnlyFans page. You know, see, I just took a bit of people who want on TikTok. I haven't gone on TikTok in 2 days. Really, guys, I'm telling you, I'm so tired that you can't even imagine. You know what freaked me up the very first day? When my sugar went down to 120. I think it like a kind of shake up my body like. Because it makes my body like a kind of weak. And me I do a lot of exercise and a lot of extracurriculum activity. I don't know what the word is, but that word there in the make extra something another activity. Yes. For all I know, professor what they pan here. Remind me of what the word again. Remind me of what the word. Me see the people them out there. They put up posts. Them go clip out the part. Oh, Maxine call FBI Pandana. You all know that me when call the FBI. When me come to the girl like I say, no just when I hear the story. Me come out to check the story how much time. When me and she went in a war. I don't know, I no lie me I tell. Yeah man, when me file them still put down, you know. Yeah man, me still put them down. When me come to the girl like I say, no just to hear the story. Not just to hear the story them. Then the story is still and gone a long time. We don't know how no for they gonna like how no just the ear. Don't go do like how no just the ear. Guys, please, I'm asking you guys. I need to reach certain amount of people in certain amount of time. You guys know that I have a lot of pages, so I'm asking you guys go look for the Maxine Foster's pages. The Maxine Purpose, the Bella's Bucket of Blessing. Yes, go look for those pages. Over TikTok, I'm on Instagram. I'm asking you guys, and please remember to follow my friend. As soon as he comes out, I'm gonna put out his things. Baller's Paradise. Oh, he's such a great guy. Love him. Great guy. Great guy in many ways. I'm telling you, he can work magic. Lawless Paradise. He's a trying youth. Trying young man. Yes. Hmm? What I don't understand. Why are you guys clutching your pearls when people said anything? I want to go after people. I don't think I really like that girl. Me not think I like her because if I don't like her, as she said, stop call her name, stop do this, stop do that. Uno still they do it. It's like uno they come after me. Remember, this is the very same thing why me went have to report her to the FBI, you know. This is the very same thing why I had to report her to the FBI. Because she damn well know who she want set people pan from who she no want set people pan. And then when she set the people them pan you, she go on like, you know them way there, and then she will go up on her page. Cause she dey look on social media, you know. And she will go up on her page and she will big up this one and she will big up that the one there because in here that the one over there so they call somebody name. They defend her. And that's the only reason why she come out. They big up other people. Don't big up nobody because everybody knows say they set people pan people. Everybody know that. When you come out and big up certain people page and go on go this and go on go that, yes, you they set people pan people. And that's what you did to me. That's exactly what you did to me. So you see how I'm so happy that LaDonna is getting a dose of her own medicine. Yes, she's getting a dose of her own medicine. And people, don't be naive. This was no damn prank. Okay? This was no damn prank. If it was a prank, it's between she and LaDonna. Yes. Behind closed door, it's between the both of them. It's no prank. Real life story. But she never knew that she would have given the authorities the icing on the cake. Because remember, now we know, when she was reported by me, okay? When she was, there was no really great evidence on her, you know. Because what people don't understand, her name is not on anything. Yes, she's the boss for them, but her name is not on anything. A lie. What you say, Charmaine? LaDonna family has been threatened in Jamaica. God have mercy, God. The thing is, when she's nothing at all, listen to me, people. She's not an idiot. She's very street smart. You would call a hustler. Yes, you would call a penny pinching hustler. She know how to set and do everything. People, please, don't take away but the likes from off of the page on YouTube, because I can see you are taking away the likes on there. You give me the likes, then you take it back. You give it to me, then you take it back. Please like up the live, people. Like up the live, both Facebook and YouTube. If there's one person who not afraid of none of them over that side, then or that the side of the fence, nor that the side of the fence, you know, see me. Not afraid of not one of them. Because you know what happened? All of them, one know they beat everybody bad. Boy, Jennifer must glad say, LaDonna come out with this Astoria. You know, me feel like mother drink some tea. Me feel like mother you think I dead, me or dead. You know, you feel, yeah, me feel like mother drink some tea. In a life. What kind of tea you have? You have ginger or nothing like that? It's alright. At the first, me feel like me want to drink some tea. People seem think I feel wrong tonight, yeah. Me feel like me want some tea. And I'm not hungry. But the sugar just keep going up and down like crazy. Mint. How are they? Oh. People. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you so much. But don't take them back. It's not nice for you to give it to me and take it back. When they turn the Indian them for me, no, give me it and take it back, man. Give me the likes, them if you know, give me them. What was I saying again? I saw me attention just left me. Yeah. People. Ladana, they repeat everything what Donna said. She's just repeating everything that Donna said and really page Ladana doing. Oh my God, they really page her. You could see the cowardness on her. She's been page. Let me tell you.